Hey, what's up, everyone? Welcome back. My name's Michelle. I'm going to go over Ethereum. Right now, we are trading at $1,321. 24-hour volume, we're up 39%, and market cap, we're up 3.41%. Heading over to our chart here, I'm going to go over weekly, daily, and immediate short term for 2 hours. But if we take a look on our weekly chart, looking very promising here, we have the body itself being big, but not only that, it's going to be green if we do end in today. And it's going to give us a jump start here to come back up to our next area of target here at 1396. So that's 1300 that we are looking for our target. And if we take a look at our volume profile itself and take a look at areas of, supply and demand, we are ultimately going to be moving away from this area in hopes of getting back up to the 1800. But not only that, we do need to come back and retrace this level here of an area of resistance on 23%. We're going to watch this very closely on a daily average here, because what we can see on our RSI at the very bottom here, we are considered as oversold, and we are waiting for that buying opportunity as soon as these two lines cross over and surpass the 20% threshold. Not only that, but again, we do need to get a huge momentum jump for our MACD indicator. We were watching this very closely, as we can see, coming down to an area of support and watching these bars getting lighter in color. But not only that, but they are getting smaller itself. So we are losing momentum on this bullish side. If we do see this turn from green to red coming down to an area of support here, then we may actually break this support and retrace down. And if we take a look at what that looked like, Ethereum dropped as low as $800 back on June 13th. So dangerous waters here. Let's take the win for today, as we have a really gorgeous candle here. And let's take a look here on a daily time frame. So we see spike in the volume, which is great, coming up, actually retraced and broke through a few of our fib charts here. So 61% sliced right through it, 50% we are closely slicing right through it and coming up to our next area of resistance here, which is this peak point at the moment right here at this node. If you see this dollar node here at 1330 at the very top, again at the highest level we have achieved today. This is going to be a point of interest if we are going to be able to break above it. Now, there's two things that are playing in factor here. We've got our MACD indicator growing in the bars, which we know the momentum itself is going to be strong. We also have a buying opportunity crossed from yesterday into today. We do want to wait until we close to confirm this, because what may actually happen is these two lines may come closer together in just the matter of days here, and we won't get enough pump to retest our 20 moving average in hopes to turn this bear market into a bullish market. So what we are waiting for, again, is confirmation if we can close above this node here at the 1329 or even 1330, again at the highest peak it has reached today, in hopes to breaking this resistance line here. A few candlesticks, 1, 2, 3, 4, couldn't surpass the range of 1355, and that's going to be a peak area because it's closer to our 20 moving average. All right, and lastly here, we are going to be taking a look at our 2-hour time difference here. So our 2 hours, sorry, 2-hour time interval. And as we can see, we have been bouncing between the 50 moving average. So moving averages, again, you guys, are treated as a resistance turned into support. We can see here it was turned resistance a few times run here, and especially our 20 moving average resistance finally broke out in this gorgeous green candle here. So as price is coming up, we can retest this area of support, but majority times whenever we retest support, it is going to weaken it and break it. So this is going to be our next line here of support is on our 23%. We've seen a candlestick already retrace closer down with the wick itself coming down. But the reason why I'm saying the price may come down is because our RSI here is considered as overbought, as we peaked up closer to the top of the Bollinger Band here, and we may see price come down. If we take a look at the candlestick itself, the previous candlestick, the body here itself was quite minimal, and it was found near the bottom. So the price of this session of this 2 hour, the activity mainly was at the very bottom, showing us signals that the bears are coming in. They may take charge of the price here and may bring the price as low as the 1309. If we take a look at our next retracement level for our fib chart, it's all the way down here at 1289. And if we do see a price come down to the 1289, we are going to lose the momentum of this uptrend, because we are not only closing below our 50 moving average, but we are closing below our 20 moving average. And you can already see how hard it was for us to even break above it. Multiple areas of rejection already. So if we want the momentum of Ethereum to come up and retest the 1343, we need to make sure that we do very low retracements, so low pullbacks coming down to an area of support and then coming back up again. So long as the momentum here is showing us in green and big bars, then we are going to ultimately break this area of threshold of our resistance level and coming up here once again. If you notice, this was an area of resistance for a very long time, and I've expanded it as well. And if we want to come back and retest it, then we need to make sure we make very small minimal corrections as the price corrects itself. That is my video for Ethereum. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you found this video insightful, smash that like button for me, comment down below, and subscribe if you're new, but I'll see you next time.